for subscribing my channel. I have reached now 1000 subscribers. I will show you what will happen when we reach 1000 subscribers. Now it's showing monetization, account status in review. Review started. We will email you when your channel is approved. So that means it's already started reviewing my account. So today I reach 1000 subscribers threshold, and I already reached 4000 hours of view time. Now I am waiting for the email confirmation from YouTube for the monetization approval. Once again, thanks to all of you for subscribing my channel.